Hi guys, welcome back. Yawa! Oh, oh god! Fucking bullshit. This is my first ever video where I talk. I don't know how to start it. So hello everyone, my name is Via and welcome to my video. I'm going to talk about menstrual cup and my experience with it. So menstrual cup, menstrual cup, menstrual cup, menstrual cup, menstrual cup, menstrual. Bullshit. Menstrual cups are usually made of flexible medical grade silicone, latex, or the thermal plastic isomer. The menstrual cup is a feminine hygiene device that is inserted into the vagina during menstruation. It is a healthy and good replacement for tampons and pads. Its purpose is to collect menstrual fluid and prevent its leaking onto clothes. This product is a high-quality medical-grade silicone that is widely applied in medical care products. Since it is toxic-free, odor-free, and allergy-free, the product is also free of dioxin or allergic materials. Safe to use and liberalize you from those special days every month. Lifespan is about 10 to 15 years. Save money. You can save money with this cup up to 75% of your menstrual care expenses. You don't have to buy napkins more than one every month, and you don't have to change every 4 hours because with this cup, you can use it up to 8 hours, and you can save within 10 years from your menstrual care expenses, so it's very convenient. Save earth. You can save earth because you don't have to dispose this every time you use one. Every 4 hours, you don't have to dispose anything. You don't have to throw this away, you just have to disinfect it properly and it's clean again. Put it in your bag and nothing is disposed and the earth will be saved. Save your passe or save your health. So you don't have to feel any dryness. You can be more confident with this. No more odor and more comfort. You're more confident to move because it won't leak at all. So it's very sulit. It's very convenient. You can save money. You can save the earth and you can save your passe. Parts of the menstrual cup. This is the cup rim. This forms a seal to your vaginal walls. Next, the air holes. I don't know if you can see there, right there. It helps break during removal. Next is the body. That is where your menstrual blood is collected. Next is the drip rings, like this one. This is what you use to pinch to break the seal. And this is the stem. This helps you locate where the cup is inside your vagina, so it won't get lost. About the sizes, they are small and large. So you will use the size small if you've never given birth, and if you have, then use large. This cup size, This cup size is small, and it is about 2 inches or and a half. See? There are 3 types of fold so that you can put the cup inside easily. First one is this is the smallest fold. You put this inside the vagina first and then you slowly, gently put it in and release. And that's it. That's the first fold. And the next fold is the C fold. The C fold is just this. Okay, this is the second fold. You can also use this. Gently slide it in. Next one is 7 fold. This like that. So you can also use this fold to put it in. You have to position yourself in putting it inside. You should be sitting or squatting or standing but raising one leg up. So now, I'm going to talk about my experience, my very first experience of this menstrual cup. At first, I was weirded out because, the thought comes in your mind, the thought that you will have to insert something so big inside your vagina. At least 1.5 inches. It's gonna stay in there for how many hours? and you're gonna have to use this for at least 3 to 5 days inside your vagina, just sitting in there. So when I tried to put this in, it was so hard because I was worried and I didn't even know if this will fit. I was thinking all the negative thoughts. The more you tense up, the more it will be hard to put it in, because whatever's in your mind, your muscles will respond. The muscles down there will reject it, or it will just pisti, basta reject, pagkawas, putang ina.
Endless more.
So, if you want to use menstrual cup, your mind should be at ease, relax, while you slowly put it in. And after all that, it's done. Get it? Gets? Fuck. Also, when I watch YouTube videos or the manual in this cup, that it is also recommended to use lubricant if you're really having trouble. Use a water-based lubricant because using oil will damage the silicone. So after inserting it, of course, I inserted it. Oh my gosh, it was so weird. Like,
why are we still here? Just to suffer?
There's something in there stuck in your vagina. Like,
just to suffer?
Anyway, after I inserted it, I push it gently. Like the whole cup inside. Okay, the whole cup inside. After inserting it, I felt nothing. There's nothing inside. It just felt like there was, you know there's something inside, but if you move, whatever you do, you don't feel anything at all. There's nothing in there, but you know it's inside there. I don't feel any pain after inserting it. It's very good for sports. Like, wala siya sa gabal. You can do any activities, any sport activities like swimming, biking, hiking, doing yoga, exercising. There won't be any leakage. First, I boiled the cup for about 5 minutes. Be careful though, you should let the cup float in the water. Don't let it sink. The silicone cup might burn. After that, you get the cup, wash it, disinfect it with mild soap. So I use baby soap and it smells great. Even after I used it, pull it out to empty it, it still smells like baby. If you think menstrual blood is dirty, it smells bad, no, you're wrong. You're wrong, bitch. Menstrual blood is not dirty. The only reason it is smelly because when it is in a pad, in a napkin, it is open to the bacteria, and that's why it smells fishy. It smells bad. You should always change your pads every 4 hours or so. That's why it is much better to use menstrual cup because it is inside. It won't get any bacteria. At first, it gets a little messy when you remove it, so you better be in the restroom comfort room. You should be there when you remove this, or sitting in a toilet. So not that messy if you remove it properly. With menstrual cup, I slept with it. It's amazing. When I woke up, there's no leakage at all. So there's these questions, frequently asked questions about menstrual cup. How am I going to pee? The vagina and the urethra are two different holes. They are not the same. The cup doesn't collect urine. The cup is in your vagina, and your urine comes from urethra. I tried that. I can pee, no problem. It won't be interrupted, but you will have to pee slower than the way you normally pee because it's inside. It's the vagina. This is the urethra. It's gonna watch videos, man. There's a much better explanation for that. What if you will lose your virginity? No, your virginity won't be lost just because of wearing menstrual cup. There is a possibility that your hymen will be stretched out, but that doesn't mean that you lost your virginity. There is also question that will your vagina be stretched out? Mawangwang na ba kayads paggamit laan ng cup? No. Your vagina, our vagina, is pretty extraordinary because the muscles are able to stretch and go right back to its original shape, like a rubber band. Like, stretch out, go back to its original shape. That is how amazing our vaginas is, ladies. Be proud. So, it will only be stretched out if you are giving birth multiple times because your muscles will be weakened. So, this simple little cup won't make you lose your virginity. Ika mawangwang ani yads, kalma. Don't worry. Will the cup get lost inside there? No, the menstrual cup cannot pass through your cervix, so it has nowhere else to go. It'll just stay in there for how many hours and take it out and then put it again. Can you sleep with the cup inside? Yes, of course. Can you use a menstrual cup even if you're a virgin? Yes, there's no problem in using a menstrual cup if you're a virgin or not. What if the cup gets stuck? You just have to press it inwards and pull it out gently. Or, sige siya motong. Probably, motong kaya utong. Sa English na.
Ikaw, bobo, putang ina mo ka!
Utong ka para mas magawas ni siya. You can pull this slowly and then here. And then you press it and then you pull it out. That's it. Can I swim with my cup? Absolutely, you can. Dive in knowing that your cup won't let anything out or in. No more pool water up in your vag, and no more chlorine soak pads or tampons. There's also a question in my Instagram.
When I tried to put one in, it was super hard and I couldn't. You think it's easier to put in later on?
But you should relax. If you have negative thoughts, your muscles will tense, so it'll be even harder to put it in. So when you relax, your muscles are relaxed as well. Do the folds and find your comfortable position when trying to put this inside.
This is my first time. What size do I use?
Small size. So that was about it, and that was my experience. If you have any more questions and curiosities about menstrual cup, you can just message me. I will leave below. I will leave my link below of my. I will leave my Instagram link. I will leave my Instagram link.
Gago!
So if you have any more questions about menstrual cup, you can just message me. I will leave a link below of my Instagram and my Twitter accounts. And if you want more explanation about this menstrual cup, I will also leave a link below of YouTube videos that has clear explanation on how to use it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye! Also, mga kailigano na ako'y baligya, menstrual cup, small for 150 and large for 250. You can just message me in my Facebook. I will also leave a link below. Bye! Thank you so much. Salamat sa paglantaw, mga yads. Jay! Ayaw pagpa-music ha! Kaya nag-video ko! Hello everyone, my name is Via. Hello everyone, my name is Via. Welcome to my video.